Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture I would like to guide you about size and depth of footing. If the column is 12 by 12 inches, so what should be the size of footing? If the column size is 9 by 9 inches, so what should be the size of column? Before starting the video, I will tell you guys, if you are going more than 2-story, 3-story, 4-story, so you should hire the structural engineer to give you the structural drawing for foundation, beam, column, slab, its steel reinforcement. So you will face more problems if you are going for multi-story building. For G+1 story, you are able to use this formula which I am telling you in this short video. So let's get started guys. As you can see guys, this is footing. So what should be the size of footing? If size of the column is 12 by 12 inches, so in that case the size of the footing should not be less than size of footing. It should not be less than 4 by 4 feet. Remember this. So this is the minimum size of footing if the column size is 12 by 12 inches. But I recommend you guys, you should put the factor of safety inside this size, which is 4 by 4 feet. So it should be 5 by 5 feet. So this should be the size of footing, 5 feet, and this one also 5 feet. That's why, because I don't know the bearing capacity of soil, because we have the depth of foundation, or footing, also the size of footing, it's depend on bearing capacity of soil, because different we have different types of soil, so different types of soil has their different bearing capacity. So therefore I don't know the bearing capacity of soil, that what kind of soil do you have on which you want to construct your house. So in that case we will increase the factor of safety. So you should put the factor of safety, so you can take 5 by 5 feet if the size of the column is 12 by 12 inches. So you can use this for G+1 story. So this should be the size of column, the size of footing, sorry. So now if the size of the column is 9 by 9 inches, so what should be the size of footing? So in that case, for G+1 story, the size of footing should be size of footing for 9 inch by 9 inch column, it should be 4 by 4 feet. So this is the size of footing for 9 by 9 inches. So now guys, what should be the depth of footing? Depth of footing. So when the size of the column is 5 by 5 feet, so you can keep the depth of the footing also 5 feet for G+1 story. It should not be less than this, because I am telling you, you should hire the structural engineer if you are going for multi-story. So because I am going to the safe side, so therefore I am telling you it should not be less than 5 feet. So it's okay, don't go more than 5 feet, okay. So if the size of the column is, or if the size of the footing is 4 feet, so same depth of the footing should be 4 feet. So same you can keep. So this is, I'm telling you from by thumb rule, okay. This is not the standard method. Now guys, let me guide you for its steel reinforcement for the footing. So the steel reinforcement for the footing, as you can see guys, these are steel reinforcement. So main bars and distribution bars dia should be not less than 12 mm with the spacing of 150 by 150 mm C/C. So center to center distance of main bars, distribution bars should be 150 mm, or you can say 12 mm with 6 inches, you can say center to center distance, okay. But you are able to provide single mesh, not double mesh, okay. As you can see, it's here guys, you can see this is its section. So you will provide the steel reinforcement same like this, okay, and the die should be 12 mm. Same guys, you can use the same procedure if the size of the footing is 4 by 4 feet. So you can use The dia 12 mm, spacing 6 by 6 inches. Now guys, how many numbers of steel rods you can use in the column? Okay, so if the column size is 12 by 12 inches, so in that case you are not able to use less than 6 steel rods. So you will use minimum 6 steel rods in the case of 12 by 12 inches size of column. If the column size is 9 by 9 inches, so in that case you cannot use less than, so you are not able to use less than 4 steel rods. So in this case guys, the dia should not be less than 12 mm. Okay, but I am recommending you guys use the corner steel rods dia. You can use about 16 mm. Okay, and these two extra rods you can use 12 mm. This is for G+1 or G+2, you can use this, no problem. Okay, but here in this case you can use 12 mm dia. And if you come to its stirrups, its lateral ties details, okay, so the lateral tie dia is here guys, you can see this is the long section. Okay, so the lateral tie dia should be 8 mm with the spacing of 150 mm, C/C. Okay, next guys, remember the lateral tie hooks should be bent on 135 degree and the hook's length should not be less than 3 inches. So guys, these are the steel reinforcement details for footing column if the column size is 9 by 9 inches or 12 by 12 inches. So you can use the same formula which I have discussed in the front of you. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.